Hello guys. Welcome to your YouTube channel NB InfoTech. In this video tutorial, we will check about how to install VirtualBox Guest Additions, why we need to install VirtualBox Guest Additions, or what is the use of VirtualBox Guest Addition. Let's look at what the VirtualBox Guest Additions actually do for you. 1. It enables shared clipboard and drag and drop support. 2. It provides shared folders support. 3. Gives you improved graphics support. And 4. Seamless app windows. As you can see, current display resolution is 800 by 600. But after guest additions it will support up to 1920 by 1080. I have added one folder from shared folder settings, but it is not visible inside VM. To add shared folder, click Settings on a VM and jump to the Shared Folders section. Select the Add Share button on the right side, then choose a folder on your computer to share with the guest. Give it a name, choose Auto Mount if you want it to connect automatically, and hit OK. To install the guest additions for VirtualBox in a Windows VM, boot into your guest OS as normal. On the toolbar, select Devices, then click on Insert Guest Addition CD image. This mounts a virtual disk to the VM. Then go to CD drive in Windows Virtual Machine, and open CD drive, and install VBox Windows Additions. Once you are done with the installation, then restart the virtual machine. Now you can see that the display resolution of the virtual machine is changed. Also, the shared folder is also visible in the virtual machine. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel NB InfoTech, and press the bell icon to receive the notification whenever we upload a new video. Till the time, take care. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.